I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials, update Messenger, sign into the correct account, and check your network connection so searches can query the server. Once done, force quit the app and reopen it to clear transient cache. This often restores search indexing quickly. Make sure app permissions allow access to contacts and storage because missing permissions block results. If you use multiple accounts, switch to the primary one. Then go straight to the Conversations tab and try a short search term to trigger reindexing. Now you rebuild the app's local index. Clear the cache from Android settings or offload the app on iOS, but avoid deleting account data unless backed up. Once cleared, toggle airplane mode for 10 seconds, then reconnect. This forces the app to re-fetch conversation metadata. Next, sign out and sign back in to force a fresh server sync because the server copy is the authoritative search source. While signed in, perform several different searches to let the app reindex and populate results progressively. Finish by ensuring both the app and your device OS are up to date because compatibility bugs can break search. If problems remain, test the same account on Messenger web or another device to determine whether the issue is local or account level. If the search works elsewhere, reinstall the app on your main device. If the issue persists across platforms, report a bug. Include exact steps, sample search terms, screenshots, and approximate timestamps so support can reproduce and resolve the problem quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.